In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Google Fonts in Jotform. Whether you're looking to enhance your form's look for better branding, or simply want to experiment with different typography, integrating Google Fonts with Jotform is a straightforward process. Let's dive right in. First, you need to head over to the Google Fonts website. This is your go-to resource for a vast variety of fonts available for free. Take a moment to explore different styles and consider what would best fit the purpose and aesthetics of your form. Once you're there, simply browse through the collection or use the search bar if you have a specific font in mind. When you find a font that catches your eye, select it to get started. After choosing your font, you'll see an option to pick different styles such as regular, italic or bold. Feel free to mix and match styles to suit the look you're aiming for, perhaps a bold style for headings and a regular style for body text. After you've settled on the styles you'd like to use, the next step is getting the font. You'll want to click on the Get Font button that appears. This is where you get the embed code for your selected font. Once you click on this, you'll see two options for embedding, either via a link or at import. For our purpose today, click on at import. This generates a piece of CSS code that you'll need to copy. Make sure to get the entire code within the style tag. It's crucial for the next steps. Now pay attention to the font family declaration within the CSS rules as well. This is important because you'll use it to update the Jotform settings shortly. Now that you have what you need from Google Fonts, let's move over to Jotform. In your Jotform form builder, locate the paint roller icon, which is the form designer. Once there, click to access design settings, then head over to the Styles tab. Scroll down until you find the Inject Custom CSS section. It's here that you're going to paste the at import code you copied earlier from Google Fonts into the first line. Next, replace the existing font family declaration within the CSS settings with the one you noted earlier from the Google Fonts website. This tells Jotform exactly which font it needs to render your text in. With these changes in place, don't forget to hit the Save button located at the top left side of the form designer, and there you have it. Your newly chosen Google font should now be applied throughout your form, adding that extra touch of style you were aiming for. Experimenting with different font styles can really make your form stand out, so feel free to revisit Google Fonts and try out different options whenever you like. Thank you for watching, and I hope this tutorial helps you enhance your forms with ease.